What's going on YouTube? I got an unboxing for you today. The JRL FF 2020 Gold Collection comes with both the clipper and the trimmer. We're going to be comparing the sound to the originals, the silver ones we'll call them. And without further ado, let's crack into the box. I'll see you in a second. So right out of the gate in the box, we've got the trimmer. It's going to come with a gold blade, I like it, with black cutting blade on the bottom. And this comes zero gapped right out of the box. This one did not come zero gapped right out of the box and was kind of hard to zero gap, but once you get it, it's pretty fire. And let's see the clipper. Sorry, I'm doing the unboxing with one hand and the recording with the other. So this is also going to come zero gapped. This is a 4-hour runtime rotary motor clipper with the highest speed is going to be 7,200 RPM. So also in the box we're going to get a charge dock, which the circumference, if you look, of the trimmer and the clipper are the same, so both are going to fit on here. Should let you see real quick. That's how we do. Don't leave you in the dark about anything. Answer all your questions. If you have any questions, by the way, leave them down in the comment section and I'll answer whatever I can. You're also going to get these black covers for it. So Stylecraft also does something very similar to this, where they like to add colors and stuff into the box. Sorry, I'm currently in the back of the shop right now and it's going crazy out there. I have to get back out there eventually. So it's going to come with all the guards that you're going to need to get started. It's going to come with starting with a 0.5 all the way to a number 8. It's also going to come with a full-size screwdriver, a little bottle of oil, a zero gap tool. If you want another video, just leave a comment down below and I'll put a video out on how to use this. It's going to come also with a charger that is going to go into the base right here, and then that's going to go into the wall. The charger also fits into the bottom of the trimmer, or the tools like the trimmer and the clipper. Pretty basic stuff. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to attach a video of me doing a haircut to the back end of this video. It's going to be with these machines, but I have these both set the way that these are now. I will eventually, like going forward, my videos will include both, obviously. This is just a pre-recorded video because I've been using this relentlessly for about a month and a half now. And everybody at the shop that's used it has loved it. So, any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It's Beats the Barber. Have a good day.
I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but this is everything I wanted.
Look, I'm manifested where I'm at. The credit card just up the max, and everything I do, I tax. It's hard to buy my time. They see me shining, my paint dripping, I'm acting different. I keep it modest till I turn up, I've been champagne sipping. They clock watch while I big boss and a flossing proper. I'm quick to slide like a slip, not ducking cops and robbers. Been on the wave, you can't tame. They pressing play to play me. And I'm out of body, my vibration high, I'm levitating. I feel amazing, I'm keeping space away from them toxins. I'm going places, I'm gassed up, ain't no limitation. Headed where that tree in that weather, got my melanin popping. Whip with the leather, the softest. What the fuck a humble brag. I'm bad boy with that cash, ready to spaz. I splash the dash, digital rap. They mad niggas trying bite too hot to handle. I ghost ride it, I pilot phantom. My mind ain't yet hit its prime. They ask me when I'm quitting. Decline to answer, I'm unbothered, I'm kind-mannered. But fuck a body in the way, cause I've been moving at a rate where any day the fuse gon' burn out, then I blow up, then we go up, tell a hater, so what? It's in my veins, I'm cold-blooded and function, I'm flawless, I'm manufactured different. They carbon copy, they sloppy, I'm everlasting with it. I'm legendary, it's very scary, I'm seeing this through the finish.
I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Cool young nigga from the middle, kick raps like riddles, got game wrapped up like Reynolds, kush packed like Skittles, move like I'm supposed to be, I chose to be this lit. Shorty at the show just wanna get close to me and pose for me, then flick. And to be honest, girl, that's cool with me. Have your ass at home in my t-shirt and all my jewelry. Niggas act too cool for school, but you know that ain't fooling me. Let her do her thing, cause I can't tell her mama who to be. Girl, that's rude to me. And if she wanna swing that Lexus down to Texas, know that I'm gon' let her. What the fuck I look like trippin'? I got polo on my sweater. Give a fuck about all that gossip, cause them hoes don't know no better. All my niggas on and poppin' till I can't fold up no more cheddar. What they mad at me for? Cause I'm out here stuntin' like my daddy, I plus with all my Negroes. I'ma drop that pen, I'ma send that addy. Play in front of me, don't roll no mid. What the fuck you thought it was, ho? But you don't know what you don't know, so I ain't here to judge. Though I've been on my P's and Q's, blowing them Q's and P's, baby. And I be way too free to lose, but you still free to choose, baby. Rap ass nigga be telling them lies, but you know I don't move like that. It's funny when a cat bad nigga say you one of my guys when you know I ain't cool like that. I moved to the city real low key, in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo messed up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code. That's right, I moved to the city real low key, in the cut like stealth mode. Dolo messed up, motherfuckers don't know me, and I'm on my health code.
I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. I'm only talking fly shit and deposits. I maneuver on some calm shit in the South Street. Round the clock, can't tell me nothing. This is everything I wanted. She ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.
Yeah, wave.
She ain't know it, but
This is everything I wanted. Look, she ain't know it, but I'm everything she wanted.